This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Genesis S335, both propane grills. Big difference right off the bat is price, huh? The Q1000 is around $229, and the Genesis is like $1,403.
Yeah, massive price jump. So what do you get for all that extra cash? Is it really worth it?
Well, the Q1000 is super portable, only 27.5 pounds. Perfect for tailgating or small patios. It's got one stainless steel burner putting out 8,500 BTUs. Cooking area is 189 square inches.
Okay, small and mighty. But the Genesis, it's gotta be bigger, right?
Way bigger. It's 35.5 inches deep, while the Q1000 is 16.5 inches. It also weighs only 1 pound, which seems like a typo. It's got 3 burners, plus a Sear Zone, and even a side burner. And it uses the Weber crafted system, so you can swap out grates for different cooking surfaces.
A side burner? Fancy! So, more like a full outdoor kitchen setup compared to a basic grill. What about materials?
The Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. Pretty standard.
And the Genesis?
Stainless steel everything. Stainless steel burners, frame, and handle. It's built to last. Plus, it has a grease management system, which sounds way easier to clean than the Q1000.
Okay, so the Genesis is bigger, more powerful, more features, and more durable. What about ignition?
Both have push-button ignition, so easy starts on both. The Q1000 uses those disposable propane cylinders, which can be a pain. You can get an adapter for a bigger tank, though. The Genesis is designed for a larger propane tank from the start.
Right, so the Q1000 is better for portability and quick grilling, while the Genesis is for serious grilling enthusiasts who want all the bells and whistles.
Exactly. If you just need to grill a few burgers now and then, the Q1000 is perfect. But if you're cooking for a crowd, searing steaks, and want all the cooking options, the Genesis is the way to go if your budget allows.
Makes sense. It all comes down to how much you grill and how serious you are about it, and of course how deep your pockets are.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.